Hi, I'm Grace. I'm one of the co-creators of Design Arena, the crowdsourced benchmark for AI-generated designs. So what you'll see on this main page here is our models benchmark. You'll see all of the top models rated on their ability to generate front-end design for all categories, including websites, game dev, 3D design, data viz, UI components, and more. And you'll be able to scroll down to see the full leaderboard of all 54 models. You can click into any one of these guys to see specific generations and head-to-heads. And then, of course, you can see the recent votes down here that folks around the world have cast. So a couple from just a couple minutes ago. So without further ado, let's go and try and cast a vote. So all you have to do is pick a category that you want to try out. I'm going to do images, and I'm going to say like cozy ramen restaurant pixel art, for example. So we'll go ahead and hit enter, and that will kick off the draw. So for the purposes of the demo, we've preloaded some images just so we don't have to wait here, but you can see that there's one on the right and one on the left. I prefer the one on the right, so I'm gonna vote this one as the winner. Ooh, left and right, these are kind of nice. I really like that. I like the details there. This one I love as well. Falls a little flat, but I'm gonna pick this one as the winner. Between these two, oh, this one's a clear one. I'm gonna pick the right one. Between these guys, still the right one, and then the last two comparison, I'm gonna do the right one too. So there you go, that's my definitive first, second, third, fourth ranking. First one is Imagen 3, then Flux Context, then Qwen, and then the Gemini 2.0 Flash. And so there you go, you've done a diffusion one, but we also have a builder benchmark, which is really exciting. This stacks up all of the vibe coding builder tools out there and tries to put their design head to head. What we really didn't expect here is for some of the agentic tools like Devin to be so good at deploying apps. But what you're able to see is overall 20 builder tools here, as well as the recent votes that were cast for them in the community down here as well. Similarly, we have all of the diffusion models, so some of the image models that you just saw, as well as the video models that we have available. And we also do audio benchmarking, which is really fun to play around with. We do speech-to-speech conversation, text-to-speech, as well as speech-to-text. And then finally, we have a compare tab. This is where you can try the newest models for yourself. So I'm gonna pick these guys, and I'll do something like a website portfolio. And what we'll do now is just kick off a couple model generations of the ones that you picked all at the same time so that you can iterate and reprompt on the ones that you like. I won't wait for these guys to load. If you want to give it a shot, feel free to do that yourself. And then you can also head over to the methodology page just to take a look at the way that we perform the rankings or change logs, system prompts. And of course, please do feel free to give us any suggestions, either directly on Hacker News or on X or on Discord. We're all ears. But yep, thanks so much for checking out Design Arena, and excited to iterate on your feedback.